Alright guys, we're at you with the HORNPUB 25 shot 500 gram cake from OMG Fireworks. Welcome to the pub, where anything goes. Make sure you're a good tipper or you'll be sent home for a cold shower. White strobe mine up to red sky blue dahlia with white strobe. Crackling mine up to brocade crown with crackling. Green strobe mine up to titanium gold willow with green strobe. White strobe mine up to purple green dahlia with white strobe, and red, green, and blue chrysanthemums. Again, there's a 500 grammer. Let's check underneath the hood at the tubes. Very, very nice. Again, this is your HORNPUB 22 shot 500 grammer from OMG Fireworks. Overstock Central, you guys know it's ocfireworks.com is their new website. If you want to save a few pennies, 15%, it might be a little more than a few pennies for you, you can use promo code PN2022, have them delivered to your doorstep. Alright guys, we'll see you in a little bit.